Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a detailed comparison between LeadFuzze and SEAMLESS AI, covering their features, pricing, usability, and more. So let's get started. When it comes to the overview, LeadFuzze has an AI-powered lead generation via automated list building based on ICP, and it integrates with CRMs and email tools. While SEAMLESS AI has real-time B2B search engine that finds and verifies contact info using AI. Now, when it comes to the database size and accuracy, LeadFuzze has strong US data, weaker in Canada, internationally, has occasionally outdated contacts, while SEAMLESS AI has about 1.3 billion plus contacts, real-time updates, high C-suite email accuracy, about 95%. When it comes to filtering and targeting, LeadFuzze has advanced filters like ad spend, tech stack, job tenure, etc. While SEAMLESS has standard filters plus intent and job change alerts, less granular than LeadFuzze. When it comes to list management, LeadFuzze has automated FuseBot list generation with manual vetting, while SEAMLESS AI has strong list building with box safe, exclusion list, and autopilot. When it comes to lead verification, LeadFuzze has basic verification, no visual quality signals, while SEAMLESS AI has detailed contact verification signals with quality indicators. When it comes to CRM and tool integration, LeadFuzze integrates with CRMs and email outreach tools like High-Level, Woodpecker, ActiveCampaign, while SEAMLESS AI integrates with major CRMs, real-time enrichment via API, and add-on. When it comes to ease of use, LeadFuzze uses simple UI. When it comes to ease of use, LeadFuzze uses simple UI, 30 minutes onboarding, occasional extraneous results. While for SEAMLESS AI, it uses fast, clean UX, intuitive, easy mastering within less than 15 minutes. Then when it comes to additional features, LeadFuzze uses automated list building, ad spend, and text filters, no native email sequencing, while SEAMLESS AI uses buyer interdata, job change alerts, enrichment, and pitch intelligence. When it comes to support and reviews, LeadFuzze has an overall rating of about 4.6 to 5. It has strong usability. Some support issues are also reported. When it comes to SEAMLESS AI, we have overall rating of about 4.1 to 5, high satisfaction 1.3 million plus users, G2 and Capterra accolades. When it comes to pricing, LeadFuzze starts about, let's say, less than $132 per user per month. It has no free plan and free trial is available. When it comes to SEAMLESS AI, it has free trial, about 50 credits, paid trial with added features, contact sales for pricing. And when it comes to best, LeadFuzze is best for small mid teams needing advanced targeting, automated list building, CRM or email tool integration, while SEAMLESS AI is great for teams looking for large, real-time database, easy UX, lead enrichment, and intent alerts. When it comes to these limitations, LeadFuzze AI has limited international data freshness issues, and lacks lead scoring features, while SEAMLESS AI has phone email accuracy sometimes lower, lacks advanced filters, and needs external tools for outreach. So in summary, LeadFuzze excels as granular targeting, features like ad spend, tech use, and tenure, plus automated list building via FuseBot, while SEAMLESS AI shines with real-time data, massive database, contact verification signals, buyer intent and job alert, and an easy to use interface. So hope you found this video helpful. Now, if you're wondering which one you should choose, you can go with LeadFuzze if you need deep targeting, automated lead generation, and seamless integration with outreach tools. But choose SEAMLESS AI if you're after a huge real-time contact database, intuitive UX, and built-in enrichment with intent tracking. Hope you found this video helpful.